Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the assets and permissions so the change goes smoothly. First, pick the correct Among Us image sized for your screen. 1080 x 1920 is common, and back up your current lock screen wallpaper so you can revert. Then, enable storage or gallery access for your lock screen app and make sure any photo app or file manager can read the image. Once done, place the file in an easy folder like Pictures/O for the next step. Now you configure the image so it looks crisp and unobstructed on the lock screen. Open your device's lock screen settings or a wallpaper app, select the Among Us file, and crop it to match your phone's aspect ratio. You want crew or imposter characters clear of status icons and the clock, so reposition as needed. Then adjust effects like blur, brightness, and parallax to keep legibility. Make sure to preview on the lock screen mockup, so text and icons remain visible before. Finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying the result on an actual lock screen. Choose lock screen only if you want a different home background. Tap Apply and test by locking the device. If the image stretches or looks fuzzy, re-export at your device's native resolution or switch file formats between PNG and JPG, and then reapply. If the lock screen fails to update, clear the wallpaper app's cache, restart the phone, or restore the backup image to return to the previous state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.